Hey guys, so I just made the rabbit to breakfast. It's a different meal because we ran out of pellets yesterday. This is apple, tomato, and rhubarb leaf and rhubarb. It's morning and
My program's on, bro.
it's my niece and my sister. So it's basically and if you guys watched my video before this video, because it's still uploading saying getting up in the morning, then you'll know my cat, when I paused it to go into the kitchen, my cat stood on the phone and turned it off, so I'm like, no. So anyway, let's get to feed them. Let's go. And it's raining, by the way, if you watch my getting up in the morning video. See, look at how wow that rain thing went. Look at how dry bunny. It's a dry bunny. And this is saturated. It's not really saturated. And that is completely dry. And let's see if the bunny's dry. She's dry. And look, she's been digging more holes. Rebby. So moved her under a tree on some long grass so she can eat some grass and some poo. Let's feed her. And I just put some of the water-borne food bowl on some dirt so it's not blocking her beautiful grass. And my rabbit, he'll probably be hiding. He does not like the rain. And because he destroys his cage, I'll just keep it covered up. Because he destroys his cage, I'm going to lock him up. Look, he peed on that. So there you go. Here's his stuff. Just his, and he goes under there. Maybe he's got like a little bit of shelter. I'm just going to whistle to my lowercase. So, this one's a bit wet. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, and you want a tour of my house, like, what is a house like? Just comment down below and like and subscribe. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you, like, tomorrow. Tomorrow, just kidding. I'll see you in the next 2 minutes. Bye.